a lot of organizations, at that base level of doing the operational reporting, so in their analytic capabilities, they can create reports. Hopefully more than the birthday report or the anniversary report, but there's an analyst, there's a smart user, as from a reach perspective, an analyst who's creating that, probably sending it in an ad hoc fashion, so reacting to a request to send data, and then probably that data that they're actually analyzing is only coming from the core HRIS system. So that would be kind of a very basic level. But as you're thinking about this from a roadmap perspective, you can think about moving beyond reports, which are often delivering lists of data, to start thinking about dashboards, which are summarizing information and giving you an at-a-glance view that can also start to fold in things like targets and goals that you want to achieve for particular metrics. And thinking about who those consumers will be. How do we get this into the hands of executives, or how do we arm the HR department, the business partner team, with this information to be successful? And how do we connect our HR data to the recruiting, which we see can be very impactful, or the performance data, or into the compensation world on that, starting to get to that stage of total cost. And so as you keep moving from left to right, you're broadening your audience, thinking about what is that next audience we want to go to, what is that next source of data that we want to get to, ultimately to all of the talent data, and even integrating the business data and getting to the predictive level. So hopefully helpful in terms of just a map that you can think about of how to keep increasing the business impact that you have. So let me talk a little bit about the maturity model then, in terms of how to think about that maturity model from that path perspective. So as you start to think about going from operational to strategic, this reactive, standardized, focused, what do these mean? Well, at a reactive level, it's often just get it done. There's a request. Okay, how